Hey guys, how's it going? If you're experiencing unable to log in issues on Grindr, here's some steps that you can take to resolve that problem. You need to check your internet connection. Make sure that you have stable and active internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue persists. And you can restart the app and close the Grindr app completely and then reopen it. This sometimes can resolve temporary issues. You can just swipe up to actually close the window, and you can update the app. Double check if there is new update coming, including your Grindr app, and then update it to the latest version. Another way of fixing that problem is by clearing the cache. Go ahead to the settings, general, iPhone storage. You're gonna find the Grindr app. Let's have an example. This is Grindr. Upload the app and double click to upload the app, and you're gonna be able to see, instead of the upload the app button, after you click the upload, you're gonna be able to see reinstall the app, and then you're gonna be able to refresh it again, right? And you may need to reinstall the app to clear cache and data if the problem persists. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.